Hey, get off me, man. You lying, huh?
On March 21st, 2022, at approximately 2:05 p.m., an officer with the Fort Lauderdale Police, a doctor's office while en route department, responded to a disturbance at dispatch. Radioed in with a disturbing development, the suspect threatened to shoot the place up if a doctor did not see him.
Nothing happened? You weren't yelling and screaming inside?
Oh, no, they're inside. The guy inside.
You're saying there's a guy inside?
Yeah.
They said he's dressed exactly like you.
No, not him. He's inside.
Okay, I hope you're not loud. Doesn't mean you can't say all that.
Like a fool.
He wants to see the doctor. He can't be seen without appointment. We explained to him we used to have urgent closed down. Everything is about appointment here. He refused to leave. He made all these crazy threats.
Okay.
So we just need him to leave. Please.
Okay, so you guys want to help her?
Yeah, that's it.
As you watch the events unfold, keep in mind all the suspect needed to do was leave.
Your hands in your pockets?
What's up?
Take your hands in your pockets.
Alright, check it out. Man, listen, I ain't doing shit. I ain't saying shit about shooting nothing.
Calm
If you
down.
put your hands on me,
Calm
I'm
down.
letting
Do you
you
have
know.
any guns on you?
I'm letting you know.
Guns on you?
Listen.
Do you have any guns
Listen,
on you?
let me-
What are you going to
listen.
do? Don't blade your body.
Don't take your head off me, man. What you grab me for, man? Oh, grab me for, bro.
Sit down on the ground. Sit down on the ground right now. Sit on the ground.
Crazy as fuck.
Sit on the ground.
200
I ain't doing none of that.
200 Northwest
Sit on the
7th
ground.
I ain't doing that.
Fucking kick
I ain't
that
doing none of that.
Move out of the
Go
way.
ahead. Everybody, go ahead. I
got
ain't
it.
saying nothing about shooting this shit up, so go ahead. What's up? Go ahead. What's up? Cause I ain't saying nothing like that, so what's up? You lying, huh?
Yep. Where you going?
200 Northwest 7th Avenue. Northwest 7th Avenue. Advice on shield.
While the first officer kept eyes on the suspect and waited for backup, a dozen officers began flooding the scene.
Get on the ground. No, listen. Don't. Bro. You better say it. Bro.
Second floor.
I didn't say nothing about shooting this shit up, bro. What? I said, give me your hand. No. Give me your other hand. Other hand. I didn't say nothing about what's name, bro. Bro, I ain't say nothing about shooting this shit up, bro.
You're clear.
David, that's f***ing tough now, are you bitch?
Yes, slow down your response.
Down.
Responding to 200 Northwest 7th Avenue. Just slow down your response. Service is custody at this time.
Alright. Give me an ammo pump, man. I ain't saying nothing about shooting nothing up. Give me an ammo pump. Hey. Nah.
Do you have a hard time understanding what we're telling you? What is your problem?
Listen to me, my boy. You sure he did my face?
Relax.
Ain't no relax, man.
10-1.
Ain't no relax.
Alright, guys.
Hey, I ain't hit my hammer. Let me hit my hammer. Let me hit my
I
hammer.
got it. Stop pulling.
He's alive. He's alive.
That pocket.
Watch this.
Yeah, best I could.
Watch this. Watch this.
Oh, we gotta check him better for guns.
I ain't got no damn gun.
Yeah, why you threatening to shoot up the place?
I'm saying I'm shooting at a place and I ain't got no gun.
Up a pat search revealed a small tool tucked in the suspect's sock resembling a screwdriver. Later it would be discovered that the suspect is a convicted felon and is prohibited from carrying weapons.
That's my sock, nigga.
Yeah, hold on to that. Hold on to that.
That ain't no weapon. That ain't no weapon.
Let's go.
That ain't no weapon. Nigga, don't do that, nigga.
Let's go. Walking away from me.
Hey, come on, man. Y'all already got me, bro. Why is y'all pulling away from me? I ain't even doing shit, bro. What the fuck going on, bro? I'm not doing nothing, look.
Stop pulling away from us.
Man, I'm not even doing nothing, bro. I'm not even doing nothing, bro.
As the suspect became dead weight, one officer intervened and wisely urged the officers carrying the suspect to use the elevator.
See how they roughing me up now? I'm not even doing shit. I'm trying to. I need my pump, man.
I got it in my hand.
Open it up. Open it up. I can't breathe, man. Shut the f up. I cannot breathe.
We got an ambulance waiting for you outside. Let's go. Come on.
Oh, man. I'm pulling away. Bro, I can't breathe. I'm telling you, I can't breathe.
In the ambulance.
Okay. 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 I can't breathe. I'm telling you, I can't breathe. Trying to stand up right. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Is this his?
Hey,
They're buck here or no? Let's go on my car. Let's go come up anyway. Stop walking, stop this shit. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
You seen that, Father?
Sit down. All the way down.
I am. I'm trying. I got my arm. How you gonna let me sit down? You got my
Put your
arm.
foot down.
Hey, fix these cuffs. Can you fix these cuffs, please? Can you please fix these cuffs?
Wait.
Seen that, Father? Yeah. Yeah. Seen that? Yeah, okay.
Cross your ankles. You want me to fix your cuffs? Cross your ankles. Thank God the door was locked. Cross your ankles.
Hey, listen here. Hey, y'all said a good job. Now let's do this. That bad? If I beat his ass, y'all let me go.
Hey, you want shackles in your hand?
If I beat his ass, y'all let me go.
What happened to your head when you fought me the first time?
What you mean? When I fought you, didn't I? I ain't fought you just now. I was on the floor. You punched me on the floor. What you mean? You punched me when I wasn't even doing shit. I was trying to put my hand behind my back. You punched me.
Okay.
You talking about I'm fighting you, nigga? I wasn't no fight.
At no point were you trying to put your hands behind your back.
Man, so you gonna sit there lie?
As the
As the first officer on the scene verbally engages with the suspect, another officer signals to his partner to knock it off and gets his agitated peer to leave the area.
Bro, so I was trying to fight him back?
Yes.
You a man, and you think you're a man.
I am a man.
So how the f you
You're another man who
lying?
wants
How am I finna fight two different men?
Relax.
Bro, no, bro, that's it. You're under arrest. That's it. It's over.
You want to sit here with me one-on-one? Nobody want to fight him. I was on the floor when this man did this, man. I'll guarantee you, y'all let me go right now. I'll knock him out. I'll knock him out right now. Look at me like this here.
Hey, boss, do me a favor, stand up. Stand up. Stand up, you need help.
I need help.
All right, man, I got you.
Every bird, every dog got that game.
After grappling with the suspect, officers called for an emergency response for an ambulance. In their reporting, officers used force because they were concerned about the prospect of the suspect being armed with a handgun and firing the weapon inside a medical facility with patients and staff present. Ultimately, the suspect did not have a handgun despite his reported threats to the contrary.
I got AJ, boy.
Hey, you need the blanket or not? You guys doing the blanket?
Every dog got AJ. Nah, man.
You gotta put them out.
I gotta put shit on. I need to breathe.
Chinese virus.
You put shit on, man.
Oh, my bad. All right.
Somebody, I'm not trying to let that shit, man.
breathing.
Man, I'll bust me up too.
Hey, do the blanket, dude.
Lied, man. Hey, I promise this the last time. Last time. Watch this.
You put the sidewalk.
Y'all done did this shit. Y'all done kidnapped me twice. With a false lie. With a false lie. This is the second time now, but y'all supposed to be the law. But y'all supposed to be the law, right? Second time. Hey, check this out. I'm gonna catch you when you ain't got your suit on. I'm gonna beat your ass. I'm gonna give a what? What? I false off by the gun? You ain't got no gun off me. But when I catch you, I'm gonna beat your ass.
Hey, Scott.
Remember that.
All right.
Yo, you gonna bust me up too? Nigga, blood for blood. Hey, Carl. Remember that. Blood for blood. Remember that.
Court records indicate that the suspect faced multiple charges, but eventually pled not guilty to resisting an officer with violence and 2 counts of disorderly conduct. All other charges were dropped when he later changed his plea to solo contender, whereby he accepted conviction but did not admit guilt. The suspect is currently facing third-degree felony, aggravated assault charges for a separate unrelated incident, given his lengthy criminal history and his likelihood to act out. We'll have more on this suspect in the future. Ultimately, the suspect was successful in his goal of being seen by a doctor at the emergency room. A researcher actually studied all the different variations of the F word that police officers use. And there's good research showing that profanity, when used by police, has significant negative influence on perceptions. New research by E.N.T. Adams shows that even when the same amount of force is used, the same amount of force, the public perceives the use of force to be less justified when it's accompanied by profanity. Conversely, the police and public generally think that profanity is public, generally think that profanity is okay when it's self-directed. Like if a police officer says, "Oh, I am such an effing idiot," that's okay. And when profanity is intended to be positive, like telling someone they are a freaking awesome witness, that's okay too. So is it okay to swear as a police officer like